Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to share your WeChat ID. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on your profile at the top of your screen. There are two ways to share your WeChat ID with your friends. The first is to simply remember your WeChat ID username and share it to your friends. The second way is to go to My QR code. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right of your screen and simply tap on Send to Friends in order to share your WeChat ID. And that's it. These are the two simple ways to share your WeChat ID. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.